Yeah.
How easy we made friends back then. Some just days, some till the end. On dusty swings and open ground, a brand new face, a bond unbound. Hey, wanna play? No fear, no all. Just open hearts, we gave them all. No questions asked, no reasons why. Just hands reaching out to try.
Making friends like we did before, on playground skies and chalk line floors. No armor on, no guarded truth, just the simple faith of you.
If we remember how it was then, we can learn again.
Making friends like we did before, on playground skies and chalk line floors. No armor on, no guarded truth,
Just the simple faith of you. If we remember how it was, then we can learn again. Making friends.
friendship forming, honest, true, built on laughter, seeing through. A growing thing, alive and strong, a place to feel where we belong. Some grow distant, some remain, still shaped our joy, still shaped our pain. But somewhere along the winding years, we traded trust for quiet fear.
Making friends like we did before. Before the locks, before the doors, before mistrust and guarded space, before the cold replaced the faith. If we remember how it was then, we can learn again.
Making friends like we did before. Before the locks, before the doors, before mistrust and guarded space, before the cold replaced the faith.
If we remember how it was, then we can learn again. Making friends. We build our walls, we learn to hide.
Protect our hearts, keep space inside.
But every smile, every hello is a seed we never know will grow. Try a word, a simple start, a little courage from the heart. Talk to people just because. Watch the world turn warm again, not just us.
Making friends right here, right now, like we promised, like we vowed. Open hands and open eyes, let kindness lead, let fear subside.
We remember how it's good, we'll make lifelong friends, loyal and true.
So let's remember who we've been and learn once more.
Making friends.